Hey Doodlebugs, let's draw Nick Wilde. Okay guys, so I'm going to start out with this one slightly to the left of my paper. I'm going to start with the eye on the left hand side here, so I'm going to go slightly over and down like that. And then underneath I'm going to do the top of the nose just to map this out. So I'm going to bring another line up and over and down. And then over this side I'm going to bring a line across and slightly flat like that, a bit longer. Remember to pause if you need to, guys. I know I always say it. Now we're going to curve this line over, and then this line is going to curve round and across, and then this line is going to come down and across like that. It's quite a tricky one, this one. Now we're going to do a pupil under there and a pupil slightly further in on that side like that. Now I'm going to do is do a line going up and over, and then this one up, a line going down like that. And then we're going to have an eyebrow up high on that side. And then a curved line, almost like a sarcastic look on his face to give that eyebrows funny angles like that. Bring that down slightly so you can see what I'm doing. Now I'm going to bring a line over, down and up, a faint line at the end, and then tighter to this nose I'm going to go down, up and like that. Now we're going to do a line going down and out, and then this side we're going to do a line coming out like that. It's quite a careful mapping on this one. Now I'm going to do a faint fairy line going across and over, and then I'm going to bring this ear at an angle, so we're going to go across like that, nice and wide, and that's going to curve back down to there like that. Then we're going to do another line going out and up, and then that's going to come down like that. Now I'm going to do some slight fairy marks on there, nice and loose, and that's going to come up like this, and then some fairy marks down there. And then we're going to do a jagged line, and then that's going to come in nice and tight to there, and then a jagged line, slightly more rough, and that's going to come to there. Now we do a slightly furry line under the chin, and then a slightly furry line going across, and the same on that side. And then we're going to do another line going down there and up like that, just to mark in where these different patches are going to be. Then we're going to do a nostril, slightly thicker like that, and then one on that side. Right, so I've got the head there. We're going to start with the body now, so I'm going to do a sort of rounded square like that to start his tie, and then join that to there and that to there, and then we're going to have a big old collar mark and the same that side, and then that's going to come down there and join on, down there and join on. Push up slightly, and then I'm going to do this big long tie coming down and then going back up like that. Then we're going to do a slightly wobbly line coming down, and the same on that side. And then we're going to go down, up to that tie, down, up to the edge there. Then I'm going to do his shoulder coming down, and then join that over, and a shoulder coming down there, and join that over. And then we're going to bring an arm down and an arm down, then bring a line out and out there at the start of his pockets. Then we can do the outside of that pocket and go slightly out, and the same that side. Slightly up there. Now we're going to curve a line over and round in the middle, and then curve that back and join these over. Same again that side, but slightly wider like that. Now just slightly apart from this leg here, I'll put that as slightly as you can see it, we're going to do big toe and one that side just to mark it out, and then that's going to come across and the same there and up to there. And then we're going to do another toe and another toe and the same this side. And then some slight jagged lines to mark that foot in, and then we're just left with the tail, so we're going to do a line going slightly out there, and then a big jagged line, oh, gone wobbly there, excuse me, and that's going to come down. And then underneath coming out and joining over to there. And then we're just going to put some furry marks on that tail. And then a faint line on those trousers or pants, depending where you're from. And then just a couple of little lines just to make some texture on there. But basically, there you have Nick Wilde.